their way of contributing to the society. Number two, why Tech Mahindra has taken the initiative is mainly on behalf of Mahindra Group, is mainly because we strongly felt the need of having global managers, global engineers, global not only technocrats but techno managers who can help us grow, who can help India incorporate become an important member of the digital world. Number third, I just want you to know that it's not only, we would be just an equal partnership in faculty, not only a partnership in education, but it is actually, we strongly believe that it would be a curriculum which will be designed not only by the Ecole Centrale. We will take a lot of help. Actually, the curriculum is already under works. We will take a lot of help from the JNTU, but at the same time, a lot of Mahindra practitioners, a lot of industry practitioners outside Mahindra will also be involved in design of the curriculum. So all I can say is it is the best of all the worlds. As a director, the person who will lead this program is Professor Sanjay Dande. He's served as the director of IIT Kanpur, and now he is going to be the director of Mahindra Ecole Centrale. And similarly, Chris and his president and his management team have agreed that the first dean of this Mahindra Ecole would be a person that will come in from France. So all I want to reassure all of you is that we are going to not only create an institution, but we are going to create an institution for future. And thank you again for coming and being part of this